Alright. Got my wrench. Fine with that. Where's my Allen key? My Allen key, where? Yeah, my Allen key's not here. Where in the... This, no. Oh my God. Yo, where is my Allen wrench? Yo, you know where my Allen key is? No, I didn't see your Allen key. Oh my gosh. I think Justin or Bill took that joint, yo, for real. Did you even look? What you mean? I looked. I checked down here, yo. And this is the only place. No, you didn't, yo. Yo. About to find this joint right now. You just blame it. Alright, man. Check it out for yourself. I'm telling you, you're not going to find it. You're not going to. Alright, man. I'm telling you. Oh my gosh. What? Oh, wait.
Really?
Yo, give me that, yo. Thanks. I've been looking for this thing.